Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English. I'm Emma, and today we're talking about the most popular conversation topic in the world.
And I'm Alex. Emma, is it really the weather?
Yes, the weather. It sounds simple, but knowing how to talk about it naturally in English opens so many conversations.
That's so true. Everyone talks about the weather.
Exactly. At work, with neighbors, with strangers, it's the perfect small talk starter.
So let's learn. What are the basics?
Let's start with describing the weather. The most basic, it's sunny today.
Or it's cloudy?
Yes, simple and clear. But let's go beyond basic. Instead of it's hot, say it's scorching today.
Scorching.
Extremely hot, like unbearably hot. It's absolutely scorching outside.
What about cold?
Instead of just cold, say it's freezing or it's bitter cold today.
Bitter cold.
Yes, means uncomfortably, painfully cold, like winter mornings.
What about mild weather?
You can say, it's lovely out today, or the weather is perfect.
Lovely out?
Out means outside. It's lovely out means the weather outside is beautiful.
What about rain?
Instead of just it's raining, say it's pouring. That means very heavy rain.
Or it's drizzling?
Yes, drizzling is light, gentle rain, very different from pouring.
What's between drizzling and pouring?
It's raining steadily, or it's coming down pretty hard.
Coming down?
Casual way to say rain is falling. The rain is really coming down out there.
I love that. What about wind?
It's breezy today. That's a light, pleasant wind.
And strong wind?
It's really windy, or the wind is howling, very dramatic.
Howling?
When wind makes a loud noise, like wolves howling, very descriptive.
What about snow?
It's snowing, or we got a lot of snow last night. Or it's a blizzard.
Blizzard?
A heavy snowstorm with strong winds. Very dangerous weather.
What about fog?
It's foggy this morning. Or there's a thick fog out there.
Thick fog?
Dense, hard to see through. Drive carefully, it's really foggy.
What about humidity, that sticky feeling?
It's so humid today, means the air is full of moisture.
That uncomfortable sticky feeling.
Yes, it's hot and humid, the worst combination.
What about a perfect day?
It's a gorgeous day, or what a beautiful day it is.
Or the weather couldn't be better?
Yes, very enthusiastic. Shows you really appreciate good weather.
What about unpredictable weather?
The weather has been so crazy lately, or you never know what to expect these days.
So relatable. Weather is so unpredictable.
It is. You can also say it's all over the place, meaning the weather keeps changing.
Like sunny one minute, raining the next?
Exactly. The weather has been all over the place this week.
Now, how do we use weather as small talk, starting conversations?
Great topic. You can open with, "Can you believe this weather?" Invites the other person to share their opinion.
Can you believe this weather is so natural?
It is. Or, "What do you think of this heat?" Asks for their reaction.
What if it's been raining for days?
"I'm so tired of this rain." Very relatable complaints.
Everyone can agree on that.
Exactly. Weather complaints are universal. Or, "I can't wait for summer."
What about complimenting good weather?
"What a gorgeous day." Or, "I love this time of year."
This is my favorite kind of weather.
Perfect. Shows personality and invites discussion.
They might ask, what's your favorite kind of weather?
Exactly. Now you have a real conversation, not just small talk.
What about asking for weather information?
Did you check the forecast? Or what's the weather supposed to be like this weekend?
Forecast?
The weather prediction for future days. The forecast says it'll rain tomorrow.
What about giving advice based on weather?
You might want to bring an umbrella, or dress warmly, it's supposed to get cold.
Very helpful phrases.
Yes, people appreciate weather warnings.
What about seasonal weather? Spring, summer, fall, winter?
Great topic. Spring, the weather is so fresh and crisp. Everything feels new.
Summer, it's blazing hot outside.
Blazing, like scorching, extremely intense heat.
Fall, The weather is so crisp and cool.
Crisp is perfect for fall. Cool, clean, refreshing air.
Winter, it's absolutely freezing.
The most dramatic season. Or it's bitter cold out there.
What about comparing weather to other places?
The weather here is so different from back home. Very relatable for international students or travelers.
Back home, it never gets this cold.
Perfect. Creates interesting conversation about different cultures and places.
Okay, let's practice. Emma, what's the weather like today?
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous out. Sunny, warm, with a light breeze. Perfect weather.
I know. Can you believe how beautiful it is? I can't wait to go outside after work.
Right? The forecast says it stays like this all week, finally, after all that rain.
I was so tired of that rain. See how natural that was?
Exactly. We use so many phrases naturally in just a few sentences.
Weather conversations flow so easily.
They do. In Bisicas, everyone experiences weather. It's universal.
So listeners, here's your challenge.
Look outside right now. How would you describe the weather?
Write it in the comments using today's vocabulary.
It's scorching hot, or it's drizzling outside, or what a gorgeous day.
We want to know your weather right now from all around the world.
Yes, it's so interesting to see weather from different countries.
And remember, talking about weather isn't boring small talk.
It's a doorway to real conversations. Use it to connect with people.
All right, that's it for today.
Thanks for listening to Daily English.
Whatever the weather, have a great day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.